Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Raycon earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that only one earbud is working. So, I'll first take both earbuds out of the case. Here. And now, let me use my flashlight for this process. Now you have to check if we have some dust here at the bottom of this holes near these pins. As you can see, here I don't have any dust. That's good. If you have here any dust, you have to just clean this. Here near these pins on our earbuds, we have to check here if we have some dust. If we have to clean it. Then we can put our earbuds to the case again. Of course, the right direction. And now we have to close the case. After 10 to 20 seconds, we can open the settings, connect devices, and we have to forget our device from the phone. You forget device, I'll forget the second headphones here too, and after this 10 to 20 seconds we can open the case lid and check if we can connect with our earbuds. If we can, that's very right, and then we can check if our second earbud is working. If it isn't, we have to charge our earbuds fully and then check if it does. If it still doesn't, we have to do a hard reset and contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.